Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're all well and hope you're having a great day. So today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious strawberry cupcakes. They are phenomenal and literally melt in your mouth. You're going to love it, inshallah. So it has a shortbread biscuit base, but you can use any biscuit base that you like. Inside it has a filling and also the meringue buttercream on top. So inshallah I'm going to show you all the procedure. So don't skip anything, do watch it all. But before we begin, do subscribe, press that bell button and do also share with your family and friends. So first up, I'm going to show you how to make this strawberry coulis, strawberry sauce, whatever you like to call it. So it's super easy, so let's go. We need a pan and heat on medium. So now I'm adding 400 grams of strawberries. Just showing you that the heat is on medium. There we go. And also adding 125 grams of caster sugar. So giving that a little stir to prevent it from sticking on the bottom. And going to cook this for 5 minutes and then I'll show you next what to do. Now with the help of a potato masher, just mashing the larger strawberries so that this process is done faster. And then we're just going to cook this for like further 5 minutes and then inshallah it'll be done. This is now done, heat is off. I'm going to just let it cool down and then we are going to do the next stage. So next up, biscuit base. You can use any biscuit, like I say. I've used the shortbread biscuits. So in a food processor, I am just adding the shortbread biscuits. I've used about 8 biscuits there. Now adding the biscuit crumbs in a bowl. I have added about 20 grams of melted butter and 1.5 teaspoon of golden syrup. Give that all a good mix and it should be more of a wet sand texture. So if you need more butter or golden syrup or even biscuits, do add or decrease as you go. I've lined a cupcake tray with the cupcake cases. And in there I will add about 1.5 teaspoon of the biscuit base. Just add equal amounts. With the help of back of a spoon, I'm just flattening the biscuit base. You can just use your fingers really. Now it's time to make the delicious strawberry cupcake batter. In the bowl I am adding 125 grams of softened butter. In the sieve I am adding 125 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of caster sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So just sieving that through. And by the way, I forgot to mention about the butter. So I left it in the morning on the surface and by the afternoon it was all softened. So, yeah. Now adding 2 large eggs. So I'm going to whisk all this until all the ingredients are fully combined, and this process took me about 3 minutes. The batter will be pale in colour and fluffy in texture. Now I am adding 3 tablespoons of strawberry coulis and then I'm going to whisk this again. Now I am adding the batter to the cupcake cases. I'm adding about a teaspoon in each case, and that is because I am using fairy cupcake cases. But if you have a larger case, then you would need to add more. So 1 tablespoon, for example, and just basically add all equal amounts to it all. The oven is preheated 170 Celsius. Going to bake this for 25 minutes or until they are golden. Cupcakes are now made, alhamdulillah, and it's smelling so good. So I'm just going to leave this to cool down whilst I make the inside filling. Now we shall make the inside filling. In the bowl I have 300 milliliters of double cream and 2 tablespoons of strawberry coulis. So I'm going to whisk this and keep it a little soft. So I'm not going to whisk it too much. And this is the texture that I'm looking for. So now we'll show you how to make the Swiss meringue buttercream. And this buttercream I absolutely love. It is soft, it is silky, so good. So let's get on with it. Okay, so in a pan, add water, about a quarter full, and then we're also going to be adding a bowl on top. Just make sure that the water isn't touching the bowl. I'm adding 2 large egg whites and also 150 grams of caster sugar, and I'm going to cook this on low heat and mix until the sugar is dissolved and we cannot feel the granules. So as soon as you can't feel the sugar granules, that means this part is done and we take off the heat. Now I'm going to whisk this for about 5 minutes until it's fully cooled down. Now I am adding 200 grams of softened butter. Make sure it's softened. So I'm just going to add a bit by bit. So adding the butter, then I'm going to whisk and then add the butter again and then whisk again. You get the gist. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now just cleaning up the edges so you're all mixing well, and then now I'm going to add the strawberry coulis, and you can add as desired. I added about 2 tablespoons of this. So I just whisk this until it becomes this type of texture, and now this is done. So finally, time to assemble. The first thing I'm going to do is fill the inside of the cupcake. So I'm just making holes. I am using a nozzle, but if you have anything else, then that's great. So I've just added the filling in the piping bag. I don't know about you guys, but I really love baking in the sense that it's so therapeutic. It just makes me feel so happy, and this part especially was making me feel like so good. So please know I'm not a baker, so this part was a little tricky for me in terms of decorating, but I finally got there at the end, and yeah, inshallah, I hope you like it. Just adding a bit of strawberry coulis. Ooh, just the final touches left. So to complement the base, I added the shortbread biscuits on top as well. So yeah, it does look really pretty as well. So if you're going to make this cupcake, just to make your life simple, you can make some things the night before. For example, the strawberry coulis, the buttercream, and also the inside filling. All can happen the night before. I hope you like this video, guys, and inshallah more to come. Please subscribe to my channel. Do also press that bell button and also share with your family and friends. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.